Investing is an easy game, and these days it's accessible to everyone. Buy shares of the company you like, and over a time, become a millionaire. Wait, is this not true? If it's that easy, why does 95% of the investors lose money in stock market? If you are losing money in stock market and wish to turn your losses into profits and become a profitable investor, follow these 4 steps and save yourself from losing any money. In today's video, I will be sharing why most of the investors lose money and what you need to do to become 5% of those investors who actually gain from stock market. Step number 1, know your why. Ask yourself, why do you want to start an investing journey? What is your real purpose of investing? If you have already been in this journey for a while and are booking losses after losses, it's time to revisit your why. In broader perspective, these are the 4 categories why one starts investing. It could be any of these. You are looking to gather some funds for a financial goal, such as buying a house or funding education. You want to be financially free, or if you are planning for an early retirement, or is it to build your future wealth? Or you have some extra money that you can keep aside for specific duration and are looking for passive income, such as dividend growth stocks? All of these have a common factor, and that is earn money or more money through profit making. When you define your purpose around this intention and keep reminding yourself of why you have started investing journey, that's when your financial goals will align with your actions. Those who do not know why they are investing and treating this as a game would belong to 95% of the class. Ask yourself, where do you want to belong? Step number 2, learn the basics. Imagine one day you decide to grow your garden. You plant seeds with the hope that they will blossom into healthy plants. And now you keep waiting because the instructions say the plant will flower in 12 weeks' time. Until you realize 12 weeks have gone past and there is no single bloom. What has went wrong? You lost the time, money, and the hope for a gorgeous garden. Is it possible that the plant selection went wrong? Tropical plants are difficult to grow in space with freezing conditions. Just like that, each investment needs attention and research. There are seasons for growth when it's a bull market, and dormant periods when it's a bear market, and that's the reason pruning, so that is adjusting your portfolio, is necessary for optimal growth. And don't forget, patience is the key. Investing without understanding the basics is likely to end up in a mess. So before you hit that buy button, make sure you know what you're getting into. Step number 3, stay away from greed. Now we assume you know how to invest. You've learned few investment strategies and have managed to book profit on some of your stocks. Now is the time your brain tells you, if you stay invested for few more weeks or few more months, you will gain more and more. So instead of booking the existing profit, you decide to keep watching the charts and the stock starts falling down. You've just lost all the profit that you would have made if you sold the stock at the right time. Greed will make lose everything. So build on your psychology and don't be scared to book profits. Build a system that you will follow no matter how enticing the opportunity is. The last and most important step of all is risk management. Before you decide to buy any stock, it's important that you decide 3 main price points: entry price, stop loss price, and the target price. We don't know what's the maximum profit we could eventually gain. However, we know we have limited capital to deploy into market, and this is our hard-earned money that we shouldn't be losing. Hence, to belong to 5% of the profitable investors, you must manage risk very, very carefully. In technical terms, it's called a risk per trade. You must have a number for your risk per trade. It could be a percentage figure, 3%, 5%, or even 10%, or it could be an amount, $30, $100, or this will help you minimize your losses. That's the 4-step process that you should implement before starting investing. I guarantee this will make you a profitable investor and will help turn your losses into profits. To help you assist with stock selection, watch this video next and learn about one indicator that you can use for stock selection and beat the index returns. If you found this video useful, please do give it a like and subscribe for more tips and learn about weekly breakout stocks.